Tensor G4 SoC is coming later this year to power the Pixel 9, Pixel 9 Pro and also the Pixel Fold 2. A new report from South Korea today corroborates a report saying that G4 will be still manufactured by Samsung Foundry. It will use the 4nm processor. The G4 will have improved heat efficiency along with better performance and higher efficiency. So it looks like it will be a step up from G3 in every possible way, which is good news considering that the previous chipset didn't win any awards for anything. The Exynos 2400 featuring in the Galaxy S24 and S24 Plus might have brought some more customers to Samsung Foundry since it has been well received for the Exynos. It might be the reason why everyone has low expectation that it managed to surpass all of them, but in the end it doesn't matter. Just like Samsung Foundry will be making more money now thanks to it. Several voices in the tech world, including Meta's Mark Zuckerberg and OpenAI CEO Sam Altman, seems to be want to reduce the reliance on TSMC for making chips, as TSMC currently holds 50% of market share. Samsung seems to be ready and definitely helping to with that in that regard.